In an ever-evolving digital landscape, basic security is just the starting line. For those who seek unparalleled protection, Zenarmor's advanced security controls are the answer. The advanced security controls provide protection against sophisticated threats and attack vectors you may encounter on your network. With these controls enabled, you stay protected against emerging malware, phishing, viruses, and botnet command and control servers in real time. In addition, you may block access to categories of websites which are known to host malicious software. Upcoming security controls such as botnet DGA and DNS tunneling are displayed in the list as a preview of exciting new features that are currently under development. These capabilities will be available in version 1.16, which will be released at the end of 2023. Upgrade to a Zenarmor premium subscription to enable cutting-edge security software for your network.